Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to Checkbox. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Rumors say that the Mi 7 could be the first phone from Xiaomi to come with wireless charging feature. New information coming from China states that the Mi 7 will support 7.5W wireless charging that is also available on Apple iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 10 smartphones. Last year in September, Xiaomi had become a part of Wireless Power Consortium. This gave birth to rumors that the Mi 7 could be the first smartphone from the company to be enabled with wireless charging technology. Around 2 months ago, it was reported that Mi 7 enabled with wireless charging will enter production phase from this month. And at the beginning of this year, Xiaomi Foundry gave out an official message on its official WeChat account that the Mi 7 will be coming with wireless charging feature. The smartphone is expected to feature with wireless charging module from Integrated Device Technology (IDT) that is based on the US. The 7.5W wireless charging speed is half the speed of the newest QI 1.2 standards. Recent leaks have revealed that Xiaomi is working on-screen fingerprint scanner on the Mi 7. It may sport an iPhone 10 design. It is rumored feature an OLED screen by Samsung. It is also expected to house vertically stacked dual rear cameras like the iPhone 10. It is likely to arrive with glass chassis like the Mi 6 to facilitate wireless charging. The Snapdragon 845 chipset is rumored to power its 8GB and 6GB RAM option. It is like Xiaomi may launch the Mi 7 in June to prevent it from disturbing the sales of the Mi Max 2S that is launching on March 27th. Okay guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you all in the next video.